Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. So guys, I'm introducing series of beauty basic techniques in which I will be showing full face makeup by splitting it into shorter videos, demonstrating application of foundation, eyeliner, eyebrow, and so on. I truly believe this series would be great help for beginners who want to enhance their makeup skill. My first episode is showing how to do your eyebrows in details. So let's jump into the first video of this series. First, we are gonna brush our eyebrows. For that, I'm gonna use spoolie. I got this brush from Morphe. And we're gonna brush our brows in a very gentle and light stroke. This basically helps giving your eyebrow a basic shape, and it also makes it more neater and dimensioned and puts the brow hair into the place. For filling in my eyebrow, I'm going to use NYX's Tame and Frame eyebrow pomade in shade Espresso, and I'm gonna use this very thin eyebrow angular brush. As you can see, it's very thin right here. And I'm gonna just dip it into the pomade. For shaping my brow, I'm gonna start from the outer part of my eyebrow, and I'm just gonna make a little line. And I'm gonna go in small strokes on the outer side of my brow. So the purpose of doing the outer side of my brow first is we do not want any harsh or heavy eyebrow pomade or color on the inner side of our eyebrow. So I'm just gonna do the outer corner first. So I'm just gonna try finding my arc. So I'm just gonna lift my brow. I'm just gonna draw little strokes. As you can see that this gave a little lift and arc to my brow, right? So I'm gonna take some more color, more pomade. I'm gonna fill it in. For the front part of my brow, I'm taking the same brush. I'm not taking any additional pomade, and I'm just drawing a line right under my brow. And then I'm making little strokes in upward direction to give it more of a natural look. And for the upper portion of my brow, I'm starting from the 3/4 of my brow. I'm just making a little and very light-handed strokes. Once I feel that my brows look fuller, I'm just gonna brush them out again with the spoolie. So I'm just gonna do little strokes with the spoolie. This basically helps in taming any kind of harsh lines. So after I went in with the spoolie on my brows and brushed them, I'm gonna look at the places which need a little more coverage. For example, my arc. I'm just gonna take a little color and just put it on that arc. Then gently brush my brows into the place. The last step for doing the eyebrows is putting on the concealer around your eyebrows just to give it a more dimension and a neater look. So for that, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Concealer. So for putting on my concealer, I'm gonna use this flat brush from QO. You can use any kind of flat brush as well. So I'm gonna take concealer, and I'm just gonna put it onto my brush. Just a very minimal amount, just so that it covers underneath and on top of your brows. I'm just making a straight line here. Just right by my brow, and also I'm gonna make a line on the top. And now I'm gonna blend my concealer in downward motion with the brush. and I'm really making sure that it blends into my foundation. And for the upper portion, I'm going in the upward motion, just blending it with brush in little strokes in upward motion, just like that. So you can also fill your eyebrows with pencil, and I'm using this eyebrow pencil from NYX. It is in the shade Ash Brown EPP08. And for pencil, we're gonna do the same thing first. So we're gonna brush out our brows to make them look more defined and give a basic shape to your eyebrows. So with pencil, first I'm gonna go on the outer part of my eyebrow, and I'm just making very little strokes on the bottom part of my brow, just like that. And then I'm gonna very lightly draw a line on the bottom of my brow, just on the inner part. And then I'm taking a very light hand and I'm just drawing strokes in upward motion just on the front. And then I'm gonna go back to the outer part of my brow, and I'm gonna start from 1/3 of my brow, and I'm just making little strokes again. And for the arc, I'm gonna pull my brow through my arc. Going in a stroking motion. And after I have applied my eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna go in again with the spoolie and brush it off, just to remove the excess. And then I feel like I have a little kind of space here left, or it's less dense here. So I'm gonna go in with my pencil again and just draw a little stroke with my spoolie. And then we're gonna do the same thing as we did on this eye with concealer. We're gonna take it on brush and put it around our eyebrow, so the lower part and the upper part. So that was it, guys, for our first episode. I hope you guys liked it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming episodes of this series. Love you guys!